Welcome to another episode of Scene.
Sweet Jesus, it's raining babies out there. What you talking about, Willis? Oh, really, it's raining babies out there. See? There's a baby right now. He's trying to hold onto my window. Well, save that baby, Willis. Georgina, I'm gonna let that baby die. What, do you want that baby to die, you little murderer, Willis? I don't have enough breadsticks to support that baby. Well, all we gotta do is go over to the Olive Garden. Georgina, we don't have no money. Where we gonna walk there? We have no car. Well, then we'll take a local bus. Georgina, forget about that baby already. Let's eat some Flamin' Hot Cheetos. Flamin' Hot Cheetos? Yummy! That's better than a baby. Georgina, let's rock on to this